Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda G150 Cargo, a compact workhorse designed for efficiency, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a small business owner, a delivery driver, or just looking for a reliable cargo van, this might be the vehicle for you. Let's break it all down, starting with the exterior. The Honda G150 Cargo is designed with practicality in mind. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for urban environments, yet it offers a surprisingly spacious cargo area. Up front, we have Honda's signature grille with sleek LED headlights, giving it a modern and professional look. The flat side panels are perfect for custom branding, and the sliding side door and 180-degree rear doors ensure easy access to your cargo. Plus, the 15-inch steel wheels and protective cladding on the lower body enhance its durability for heavy-duty use. Stepping inside, the G150's cabin is all about functionality. The driver's seat is adjustable, and the dash layout is straightforward, with durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear. A 7-inch touchscreen with Honda's infotainment system comes standard, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Storage compartments are thoughtfully placed, including a large center console, door pockets, and even a clipboard holder. Moving to the back, the cargo area offers up to 180 cubic feet of space, with a flat floor and tied-down points to secure your load. The van can handle up to 2,000 pounds of payload, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks. Optional shelving and partition kits are also available for more organized storage. Under the hood, the G150 Cargo is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 177 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with Honda's smooth CVT transmission, it strikes a balance between power and fuel efficiency, achieving an impressive 30 miles per gallon combined. The front-wheel drive setup ensures predictable handling, while the suspension is tuned for comfort even when fully loaded. While this van isn't built for speed, it excels in maneuverability, with a tight turning radius perfect for city driving. Honda also offers a hybrid option, boosting fuel economy even further to an estimated 40 miles per gallon combined. Honda hasn't skimped on tech for the G150 Cargo. Standard features include a rear-view camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system, which is a game-changer for parking in tight spaces. The infotainment system is user-friendly, with physical knobs for volume and tuning. Connectivity options include USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Plus, the G150 comes with Honda Link, allowing you to track maintenance, lock, unlock the doors remotely, and even monitor your vehicle's location. So, is the 2025 Honda G150 Cargo the right choice for you? With its efficient powertrain, spacious and practical design, and a host of modern features, it's a compelling option for businesses and individuals alike. The starting price of $28,000 makes it competitively priced in its segment, and Honda's legendary reliability is the cherry on top. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider the G150 Cargo for your needs or if there's another vehicle you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.